What's going on, guys? Today I have an unboxing from evite.com. This order was around $450, paid with my work money, so without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, box is now open. First thing in the box is my Matrix Fast helmet. Here it is. Pretty nice. Next we have just a random Chinese vertical grip. GNP rail covers. GNP ACOG. This is the TA31. Just a 11.1. Oh yeah, it's an 11.1 lithium polymer battery. And finally, as you can see, it's a KWA. We have the KWA M4 RIS. There you go. Pretty nice, of course. It's KWA, what do you expect? Alright, so thanks for watching my unboxing. Stay tuned.